Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. It's good to see you. It's been a rough year. It's been a rough year for everyone in our country. And, you know, I'm getting set up to do a YouTube video. And I'm setting up my camera. And I actually have two cameras that I use. I have, they're both Canons, Rebel T7 for the fancy cameras that I use for my indoor video, my indoor pictures for my online store. And I picked up a Rebel T5i with a flip out screen for doing these videos. And I have a tripod out here in the shop. I have tripods all over the place for doing video work. And I realized that I've accumulated a lot of this equipment over time, and I've paid quite a bit of money for some of my camera equipment. I have a $4,000 Glowforge sitting in the other room in my house. I have a machine that I put about $2,000 into for a CNC machine for my business. I have all this great woodworking equipment that I've accumulated slowly as I've made money in my business and upgraded, and I've done all these amazing things for my business. And it's not something I talk about very often, but we also need to remember, especially right now, giving back to our community. I just did a project that I spent 4 or 5 hours on for an 18-year-old girl who's graduating high school, who right now doesn't see much of a future in our country, doesn't see job future, is struggling with going to college or not going to college, and trying to find her identity in the world. And she's an artist. She's beautiful at art, draws amazing images. I took one of her pictures and I lasered it on the cover of her journal. I'm going to bind it up this weekend or next week, and I'm going to give it to her for free for Christmas, and I'm going to offer her a chance to learn some of the technology on my side of what I can do with a piece of art, and show her some of the potential of what she can do. I know it's one person in my community that I'm going to be doing this for. I also took a couple sheets of wood and we've made Christmas decorations, and we've given them away to different groups who are going to disperse them to kids for coloring and hanging on their Christmas tree. Guys, consider taking 1 or 2 sheets of our wood, some of our scraps, and making some Christmas ornaments. Doing something for a young person who is frustrated with the way the world is right now. A lot of us have gotten our businesses going. We have some disposable income. I know it's not the best year for all of us business-wise, but I would encourage you all to find a young person and show them the potential of running their own business. Show them the potential of the technology that they may not have access to in their normal life. This young lady probably won't be buying a Glowforge, but I can tell you that if she wants to make something, I'm going to make my Glowforge available to her. I'm going to teach her everything that I can and give her as many tools as I can give her to help her get started, and I'm going to give her full access to my shop. And if she decides to go to school and become a graphic artist, or decides to not go to school and try and start her own business, I want to show her what the potential is for someone. And these are reachable tools even for a young person or an adult or anyone with a little bit of time. And if I can help her build up and show her what it's like to use her art, I'd love to do that. So guys, if there's a young person in your community, if you can find someone to help out, if you can make some ornaments to give to kids to color and draw, let's support young people doing things with their hands and craft and create, and show them the potential outside of what they may have access to. Not everyone has access to go out and buy those cheap little ornaments we get at Michael's for $2 that they get to paint and color on, especially this year. So guys, this is a call out from my shop, my business, my little community, to all of your guys' shops, all of your communities. See if there's a little bit of something you can do to throw back to your community and help out some other people this year. Please like this video, share this video, send it to whoever you want, do whatever you want with it. But I'm just asking that if you've been as fortunate as I have been this year, and it's been a rough year for my business, very, very bad for my business, but I'm still taking some of my scrap wood. I took a couple sheets of wood and I'm taking some of my time and giving it back to the people who I can and helping out some young people. Think about it, guys. See if there's someone in your community you can help out. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching this video. Remember, like, share, subscribe, all that kind of good fun stuff if you want to. I'd appreciate it. This has been Doug's Basement Workshop asking you to help out. Let's take a little bit of extra time. I know it's a little bit rough when we're filling orders and shipping stuff, but it helps. Alright guys, have a good day.